Okay, now move to the next question. Based on men, women and children. Look at here on the screen. 12 women can complete a work in 8 days and 16 children can do the same work in 20 days. Now how many days will 6 women and 20 children take to complete the work? Written over here. 12 women can complete the work in 8 days, okay, and 16 children, C represent children, W represent women, complete the work in 20 days. Since the work is same, so I can equate कितना काम किया होगा 12 women ने 8 days में, that is equal to 16 children in 20 days. So I can equate both value. So if you equate both value, now cut the parameter which is cancelled out. So 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 10, 12 2s are 24 women is equal to 580 children, right? Okay, so what is the ratio of 8 3s are 8 10s are, okay? So women, 3 women equal to 10 children. So what is the ratio of women and children? So women and children ratio is 10 ratio 3. So if C, children manufacturing 3 unit per day, so women manufacture 10 unit per day. Clear? Now you need to calculate what is my total work. So how you calculate total work? So total work can be calculated by either you are using this equation or this equation. Both will give you the total work which need to complete. Now, because it is mentioned that 12 will complete in 8 days, the same work completed by 16 children in 20 days. So total work is completed by 12 women. The 12 women work 10 units on 8 days of working. So this is what? This is 12 tens are 120 multiplied by 8. So 960 units. So 960 units by this equation. You can also calculate the total work done by this equation also. So 16 children work 3 units per day of 20 days of working. So if you multiply this value, so you will get 16 3s are 48, 48 2s are 96. So you will get same unit. So this is my total work done, which you need to complete 960 units is my total work. Now, how much time 6 women and 20 children to complete the work? This is asked in the question. Now, so what is one day work? One day work done by 6 women and 20 children. So 6 women make 10 units per day plus 20 children make 3 units per day. So what is one day work of 6 women 20 children? This is 60, this is 60. It means both produce 120 units per day. So 6 women and 20 children make 120 units per day, and this you need to complete. So how much time 6 women and 6 women and 20 children take? This is my total unit production 960. This is my one day production 120. The 8 times gone. It means 6 women and 20 children take 8 days to complete the entire job, the total job. So now move to another question. Look at the screen. And this question is 6 men and 4 women can do a job in 8 days. 6 men and 4 women can do a job in 8 days, which is equal to 3 men, 5 women work the same in 12 days. 3 men, 5 women. 3 men, 5 women, same job in 12 days. Now, I can equate the total work done by 6 men, 4 women by 8 days and 3 men plus 5 women in 12 days. So, I can equate both. 4 2s are 12, 4 3s are 8, 4 3s are 12. Now, 2 6s are 12 men plus 2 4s are 8 women. That is equal to 3 3s are 9 men plus 5 3s are 15 women. Now 12 minus 9, 3 men is equal to 15 minus 8, 7 women. So what is the ratio of men and women work? So this is 7 by 3. It means that if women produce 3 units per day, then men produce 7 units per day. So you calculate the women's and men's work per day unit production. Now I need to calculate the total work. You can calculate the total work either by this equation or this equation. The result becomes same. So what will be my total work? So my total work now from this equation, 6 men produce 7 units plus 4 women produce 3 units. So what will be my total work? So 7 6 are 42 plus 12. It comes 54. Okay, fine. Now, work for how many days? Sorry, this is work for 8 days. So 54 multiplied by 8. So 8 4s are 32. 2 carry 3. 8 5s are 40. 432. 432. 42 plus bar. Okay. Now move to here. Find out 3 men is 7 plus 5 women is 3. So this is multiplied by 12. Whether I will get same result or not, I am just going to check. Okay. So this is 21 plus 50 multiplied by 12. So this value is 36 multiplied by 12. So 12 6 is 72, carry 7. 12 3 is 36 and 7 43. So this much unit. So this is my total work. This is my total work. Now what question asked? Question asked how many days will the women take to do the job if she work alone? So if she work alone, so women produce how many? 3 units. 3 units per day. And this is my entire unit, the total work done. So women take how many days to complete the work? This is my total production, 432 divided by women produce 3 units per day. So I can cut this. So this value is 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, 3 4s are 12. So a single woman take 144 days to complete the total work done. So the idea is you complete one equation, the total work done equate. So with the help of this equation you will get the ratio of men and women. How you calculate total work? By multiplying when you know the unit production. So you will get total work done either by this equation or this equation. Once you know the total work production, then what the question required, you based on that you just proceed and will find the answer. So I hope this particular session of LCM method will give you additional information to solve the problem of time and work. The student must practice the conventional method as well as LCM method also. Both are very good. LCM is very interesting. You just command on this. It will help you in competitive exam also. So it will take, because it will take less time to complete, less time to calculation, easier calculation, simpler calculation. So I hope I cover all the topic related to time and work by every method. You just practice every question by conventional method as well as LCM method. I solved all conventional problem which I covered in conventional method example. I covered the same example in LCM method also, and along with some new questions also. So you just practice. Hope you will enjoy this lecture. Thank you so much for watching this video.